If you want to remove an object from a photo on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, then first of all we need to go to the gallery. We want to go to the photo that we want to edit and then press this pen icon at the bottom of the screen. Over here, switch to AI in the bottom left corner and choose Erase. First we need to download the plugin, so press confirm and let's wait for the plugin to be downloaded. We will see the progress over here. And once we see the erase text again, we can tap on the option. And now we can select remove objects. We can circle objects to remove. So let's say I want to remove these earbuds. There we go. Let's wait a couple of seconds. The earbuds should be highlighted, so we can press start at the bottom. And let's see how it works, if it's removing well or not. And there we go. So unfortunately some side effects are still there. So this time I'm gonna switch to manually. We need to paint the area that we want to remove. So let's say I want to remove this area here. There we go. Let's press start again. And let's see if it works this time, if we can get rid of this weird thing that left after erasing earbuds. And there we go. I would say it looks pretty well. Once we are done with the changes, press this check in the bottom right corner. And of course we need to save our photo, so press save in the top right corner. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!